Hi, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Award Night Jem, and I already took her out of the shipper, and this is from the 30th anniversary collection from Integrity Toys. I have not opened this up yet, but she was previously displayed by the original owner. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this part off. And that's just kind of like a sleeve. And then it's like the original box that just says Jem on the top. All right, let's see how she looks. All right, so like I said, she has been previously unboxed and displayed. So here she is. I'm gonna go ahead and take her out. And she is really, really, really beautiful. And her hair is in like a pretty ponytail. I'm gonna bring it in so you can see it. So there's her hair, and there's a lot of product on it. It's definitely kind of hard. It's like hard to the touch. And then she has this pretty necklace on. There's her necklace. And she has the dress that she wore in the commercial promos, like we'll be right back. And then she had this for the awards night dress that she wore. So there it is. And she has her classic pink eyeshadow. And she has very soft features, like the soft pink lipstick. She has her gem star earrings. And they're very pretty. All right, so there's her hair. It's all to the one side, just like on the show. And we'll see what she comes with. So there's her pretty dress. And we'll just set her over here. And I'll set that over there so it doesn't get bent. And we'll see what she comes with. So she comes with, it looks like some flowers. So we got some flowers here that she'll be holding. There's her pink shoes. We got her pink shoes. And there's her stand. So let's just go ahead and take all this out. Get this whole piece out. And I'm going to go ahead and take this whole section out of the box so that way we can get to her stand. I'll take this whole piece out. Okay. And there is her certificate of authenticity. And we'll see what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors, and I'm just going to cut the tape so that way I can take her stand right out. Things falling out of the box. There we are. Okay, I'll set these over here so I don't cut anything. And so I can try to, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and just push this right through so we can get her stand out. And there's some silica in here. I'm going to pull that right out here. And there's her stand. And there it is. I try to be very careful just in case I want to put her back in the box. Here we are. And we'll put all these things back in. And it's nice that Integrity Toys uses these ribbons so you can put her back in if you wanted to. And there's also some instructions as well. It tells you how to put her stand together. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just move that over here to the side, and we'll see all the fun things she comes with. Go ahead and open this all up. There's her extra set of hands. And she has a really pretty set of shoes. You can see they're gold on the inside. They're really nice. There's her one shoe. I'll take her other shoe out. There's the other shoe. And there's her flowers. Let's see what this is. Just a, oh, this must have been from her earrings. So we'll just set that up here. And here are her pretty flowers. So So they just slide right in and out of that little wax paper. We'll just slide that back in. And here's her stand pieces. And we'll slide that piece right out. And then these are her extra hands. All right, so it looks like she doesn't come with a microphone. All right. Just gonna set that over here. And we will assemble her stand. It's all taped. And it's pretty well taped. I'm going to use some scissors just to cut the tape, just so it makes it a little easier. There we are. A lot of tape on here. There we go. Still more tape. There we go. And we'll slide the stand out, and then we'll put this piece in here. And then you can decide which of these pieces you want. This one goes between her legs. This one goes around the outside. Usually these wider ones are for the men dolls, or you can put it around a doll that has like a really big dress that it's kind of hard to get in between the legs. Like for the what do you call it? The Broadway Magic Gem. I use the wider one because it would be kind of hard to get the stand up between her legs because her dress is awfully tight, and then it'd be hard to get all up in there. So I'm going to use this stand for this dress though, because it is pretty loose and flowing. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on there. I'm going to give her some shoes. So there's her pretty necklace. So there she is. Put her shoes on, and her stockings are beautiful. They are like a shimmery pink. I don't know if you can see that on camera. They're like a shimmery pink, almost like they're shiny almost. They're really beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead, make sure I got these on the right feet, and I'll put these shoes on. And here's the other shoe. These shoes are gorgeous. So there's her shoes. Be very careful with the shoes because you don't want to accidentally break the heel. So there's her shoes, and I'm going to go ahead and slide her right down on the stand. And you can just push it down until she's on there good. All right, so there she is. And then I'm going to put her flowers in her hand. I'm gonna kind of have her holding them, maybe like underneath her arm. Okay. These do not like to stay in this this wax paper. I might have to like tape them in there because they just fall right out. Yeah, I'll try on this arm. Seems kind of difficult to make them stay. All right, so there we have it. There's our Award Night Jem. See if you can see that. Sorry, I cannot see the screen on my phone because the holder goes right across the front of my phone. So there she is. I apologize if I wasn't filming the whole thing. So there she is. She's on her stand. She's holding her pretty flowers. And I'm going to add her to my collection of gems. I have one more gem coming in the mail, and then I think that's the last gem. That is the last gem I have, the Up and Rockin' Gem Jericho set. Other than that, that's it. I've got them all, but there's a few others that I don't have. I'm contemplating a Riot doll, but it's a little pricey right now, a little bit out of my range. And then I am contemplating the blonde zipper, but you have one zipper. I don't know if I really need two zippers. I mean, I have the brunette one. And then the Stingers gift set, the Mind Games. I think those are the only ones I don't have, but I'm contemplating on those ones. I'm going to think about it, just because I'm so close to the end of my collection. It's like kind of be silly not to just get the last of them. And especially since I've seen them online a bunch of times, I could just pick them up. But I just want to keep it within my budget for now. But eventually I think I'll get those last ones. But it's been such a fun journey finding all of these gems. And I started this journey in 2013 with my glitter and gold gem. And she was my first integrity gem. And then I got back into it again once they came out with the 40th anniversary doll from Loyal Subjects. I kind of got back into gem all over again, and I just wanted to get more. I didn't even know they even had all these integrity dolls. I just thought it was the one. I had no idea they had more than just glitter and gold gem. But this has been such a fun journey, and I love everything gem. So, all right. Well, thanks for joining, and I will be filming some more videos of some of the other dolls that I haven't really spent a lot of time with. So I'll try to get some videos of those too. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.